Welcome! If you are looking for tutoring help, we've got you covered. Here is how to request assistance step by step. Step 1. Log into your Blackboard account. Step 2. Open any course you're currently enrolled in. Step 3. Click on the course resources link on the left-hand side of the computer screen. Step 4. Find the link to NetTutor and click on it. Step 5. If it is your first time using NetTutor, make sure to agree to the terms and conditions. Step 6. Once you are in NetTutor, you can choose any subject or go directly to the Writing Center. Step 7. In the Writing Center, you can request a live video conference with the tutor in real time, or you can submit a written assignment for feedback. Step 8. If you choose a live tutor session, the session will be recorded so you can review it later. And there you have it. If you're looking for additional assistance with Bible and theology papers or mastering the Tutoring style of writing, don't hesitate to contact us using your CBS email account at tutoring@cbshouston.edu.